How to change notification sounds on Signal application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to change the notification sound for your messages, firstly open up the Signal application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings tab, tap on Notifications. Once you're inside the Notification tab, tap on Message Sound from the top. Go ahead and choose the list of available notification sound. Tap on the sound to preview it. And once you select it, tap on the check mark at the top right. Right after you do that, you will be able to change the notification sound. Go ahead and ask your friend to send you a message to test the sound yourself. So that's it. You've successfully changed the notification sound in Signal. You can repeat this step anytime to choose a different sound that suits your preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.